In today's video, I'll be taking you through how you can start making money online in Ghana in this year 2023. There are various ways to make money online, but I'm here with the 4 best and legit way that you can make money online in Ghana. And with these ways that I'm going to show you, you don't need any capital or you don't need any huge amount of money to start this online business that I'm going to show with you. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. So to start with, the first thing that I'll talk about is through this app, that is Tendo app. This app is in Ghana. It's one of the app, shopping mall app in Ghana. All what this app do is that you just go to Play Store, just get this app. It's Tendo app. Just download this app. After downloading the app, all what you have to need is that you just have to register. Now, after registering your account there, all what you have to do is that they have so many products. They have so many products that they are selling, being it sneakers, being it clothing, a whole lot of items are on this app. So all what you have to do is that just copy the image of this product or these items that you want to sell or you want to advertise and place these items on your social media platform. So when someone asks you that he or she needs that as an item, all what you have to do is just go to the platform and generate a link. Now upon generating the link, you'll be given the opportunity to add your own profit to the item. Okay, so this item, you're going to add your own profit to the item that you're going to sell, or you are generating the link for the person or your friend who want to buy the item. So after you have generated the link and then you send the link to the person, if the person buys the item, the profit that you added to the product, you are going to get it as your profit. And with this app, you are not going to do the delivery. All what you have to do is that you just download the link of the product, add your profit to the product and share to your various social media platform. I'm on this app and I can testify that this is one of the legit way that you can make money online. I just did a video on that, so you can check that video to get more understanding of it. So the next thing that I'll talk about again is by using the Jumia online shopping platform. I also did a video on that too, so you can check that video too and you'll be able to get more understanding of it. So with this, I'll just brief you about that. The Jumia online shopping platform, you just have to just go to Google, search Jumia Ghana, and then after that, all you have to do is that you just have to register your account. Now after registering, you see a whole lot of items, see a whole lot of product there. So you decide on what product you want to sell, you want to advertise, that can attract your followers, those who watch your social media, those who watch your WhatsApp status, and those followers you have on Instagram, TikTok, and then the Facebook. So you just copy the image of this product, you just edit it and write some description of this product on your various social media platform. So when someone calls you or message you that he or she need that item, all what you have to do is that you just place the order for that item, top up with your profit, and then you deliver the item to the person. This is one of the best way that you can make money with a little amount of money, with a little amount of capital that you can start with. Because I'm doing this, I've been starting doing it a quite long time, and it's well paid off. You can make a lot of money from this if you really take it seriously. The next thing that I'll talk about is the Jumia affiliate program. I've done a video on this one too. You can also check this video on how to register for Jumia KOL, so that you're able to start making money online through their affiliate program. But one thing I have noticed that I'm in Ghana, those outside Ghana can also comment in the description Ghana, and you have been able to get your commission. You can also comment, so that I will contact you, then you tell me, you give me the ways in order for me also to get my money. Because I just joined the Junior KOL program. I worked and I'm able to make about almost 100 cities. my dashboard shows that money has been paid into my account, but up to now I haven't received anything. So I don't even know. So if you want to join this Junior KOL program, you have to think twice. You have to make sure. I don't even know whether it is my fault that I'm not getting the money. So if you have joined and you have been able to get the money, you can also comment in the comment box so that I can also come out with another video to clear that you can start this affiliate program in Ghana. But it's one of the best way that you can also join. So my final one that I will show you is that can help you to make money online in Ghana in 2023. This is one of the best, my number one out of these four. This is my number one. Is that if you're youth in Ghana and you want to make money online and you want to make a business which will be sustain, this thing is like getting a full-time employment is by starting a YouTube channel. This is one of the best way that you can make money online. People are making a lot of money. People are making a lot of money from YouTube in Ghana. So you can check on YouTube. There are various creators there who are making a huge amount of money online in Ghana. So if you think I'm lying, you can check Taking Tree. That guy is making a lot of money from YouTube. So if you're a youth in Ghana and you know how to use your phone, just start a YouTube channel, and it's one of the best way that you can make money online in Ghana. At this juncture, if you haven't given me a thumbs up, please just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this video if you like what I'm doing. Happy New Year. See you. Bye bye.